Okay. So we'll write radius. Question number 4, exercise 13.2.
Yes, sir.
It is given that the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeters. So we can say radius of a roller, radius of a roller, radius of a roller, and we'll write small r. So radius is how much? Diameter has been given, right? Diameter is how much? 84. So radius will be 84 by 2. So 84 by 2 centimeter, and this will be 42 centimeter. And I think length of the roller has been given. So length is considered as height. So we'll say that height of a roller, height of a roller, height of a roller, height of a roller. What is height? I think 120 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
120 centimeter. Okay. Now in the question, roller, do you know what is a roller? How it looks?
Yes.
Cylinder. Everyone knows, right? Have you seen this road roller? So same thing, roller means like a roller one. Road roller means the one which pave the road. Okay? Okay, so it is given that it takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. That means it moves 500 times. It moves 500 times. When a roller is moving, do anybody have bottle? Water bottle? Let us assume that this is a roller. So when it moves this way. So it moves 500 times and settle the ground. Okay? While moving, it does not move this way, this way, this way, and then again it don't move this way. It moves on this area, and this is called the CSA. That means we need to find CSA. Okay? Now it was given in the question that it takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. They are telling you to find in meter. So what we will do, we will convert this one into meter. We will convert this one into meter. How to convert this one into meter? Divided by 100. So when we divide it by 100, 42 by 100 meter. So this can be written as 0.42 meter. And same way this can be converted and directly I can write 1.2 meter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the question it is said that how much it takes 500 revolution to
Find the area of the playground.
area of the playground. So we will say that therefore area of the playground equals to 500. Definitely it will move 500 times into, and it's moving on what?
CSA.
CSA. So we will say that 500 into CSA of a cylinder. Now 500 is 500. What is CSA of a cylinder, Sweta? 2 pi RH. Sit down. 2 pi RH. Now this can be substituted 500 into 2 into 22 by 7. R is 0.42 and H is 1.2. This can be cancelled with 0.06. Now when you multiply this one, this will be 1000.
1584.
1584. So let everyone multiply and just check it what you are getting. Don't depend on other, okay? Maybe others are wrong. You can be correct. After multiplication, what you got? Aye. You have copy or not? Six 72. 72 into this 144. 144. 1.8584 meters square. That's all. After multiplying, you will get this one. Okay? Write this answer and you multiply at home. Now next question. Next question. It is given a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter. So write radius of a cylindrical pillar. Number 5. Radius of a cylindrical pillar. So I am taking small r. Radius of a cylindrical pillar. Radius of a cylindrical pillar. Radius is how much? Diameter has been given. How much? 50. So radius will be 50 by 2 centimeter. So it will be 25 centimeter. Okay. And then what is given? And 3.5 is in height. So height is in meter. 3.5 meter. So height of a cylindrical pillar. So height of a cylindrical pillar equals to 3.5 meter. Height of a cylindrical pillar. Done?
Yes, sir.
But you can see that height is in meter but radius is in centimeter. I told you many a times that whenever we are solving any question, unit must be same. So we have to convert either centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. So I am converting centimeter into meter. Okay? So this one, when I divide it by 100, we will be having 0.25 meter. Okay? Now the question says, find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So you find CSA of a cylindrical pillar. So write CSA of a cylindrical pillar. CSA of a cylindrical pillar. CSA of a cylindrical pillar. And the formula is 2 pi RH. 2 is 2. Pi is 22 by 7. R is what? 0.25. And what is H? 3.5. So this can be cancelled. 7, 0.5. 5 to 11, 22, 16, 20, 400, 550. 550, 5.5. I think so. Multiply this, take it. Multiply and just check it. You are getting the same result or not? Maybe I am wrong.
Yes, sir.
I am wrong.
No, sir.
So you will be having 5.5 meter square.
Yes, sir. 5.5.
Meter square. Today's date is 7.
Yes, sir.
Today there is IPL match or not? Adhiraj?
Yes, sir.
Himshika? Priyanku?
Present, sir.
Ravi?
Present, sir.
Lubna? Nishita? Ashmita? Sagar?
Present, sir.
Prabal?
Present, sir.
Rajkamal? Ishan?
Present, sir.
Avinash? Shweta? Palki? Madhuja?
Present, sir.
Hirak?
Present, sir.
Himanshu? Anjuma? Ayush?
Present, sir.
Aprajita? Dharna? Swaranjali? Morami? Nishika? Ankita? Bhaskar? Manas? Rangina? Pritishmita? Nitin? Are you liking this offline classes?
Yes, sir.
Online was good or offline is good? Offline. Okay, so you got this one. Now you need to find the cost. They are saying that find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12 point. So we'll say that therefore, the cost of painting, the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square equals to rupees 5.5 into 12.50. Now multiply this one and this will be your answer. 125, 625, 5, 7, 8, 6. Decimal is after 68.75. What you say?
Yes, sir. 68.75.
68.75. So that's all. That means after painting its curved surface area, a person needs to pay 68.75. Okay? Now let's move to question number 6. Question number 6. Someone kindly read this. Question number 6.
Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square.
So
If the-
curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square.
Yes. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meters,
Radius is given. So right, radius of a cylinder. Radius of a cylinder. Radius of a cylinder and that is 0.7 meter, right?
yes, sir.
And radius of a cylinder is done.
Yes, sir.
CSA of a cylinder
4.4 meters square.
2.4 or
4.4, sir. 4.4.
meter square. CSA of a cylinder is 4.4 meter square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now in the question, definitely they will tell you to find the height. Let's see.
Yes, sir. It's find the height.
Where is the question?
Find its height.
Find its height. So we know that CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH equals to 4.4. Now 2 means 2, pi is 22 by 7 and R means 0.7 into H equals to 4.4.
Yes.
Now this can be cancelled, it will be 0.1. Now 22 into 2, 44 into 1, 4.4. So it will be 4.4 into H equals to 4.4. Now H equals to 4.4 by 4.4 equals to 1 meter. So this is the height of the cylinder. Okay? Basic calculation. Okay. Now another question. Number 7. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. Inner diameter. Okay? Let's read the whole question. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find the inner CSA. Okay, we need to find inner CSA. So directly we can write inner radius of a well. It is understandable that well is a cylinder. Have you seen cuboidal well?
No, sir.
There are cuboidal tank. Okay, cuboidal well. Okay, have you seen or not? Anyone? No, but there are. You can make. Okay. Okay, so what I told you to write?
Inner radius of the
Inner radius of a well. Inner radius of a well. This is number 7. Inner radius of a well. So inner radius is how much?
3.5.
I think diameter was given.
Diameter is
So it will be 3.5 by 2 meter. Leave it this way, no need to divide. Okay? and what is given? Height is given, I think 10
Yes,
meter.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So height of a well equals to 10 meter. Height of a well equals to 10 meter.
Yes, sir.
Now in the question they are saying find the inner CSA. So we'll say that number 1, inner CSA of a well equals to Lubna. What is CSA of a cylinder? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. 2 is 2, pi is 22 by 7, R is 3.5 by 2 and H is 10. 2 cancel, this will be cancelled. So this is 110 meter square. When you multiply, you will be getting this.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's proceed further. Now number 2.
The cost
Number 2, what is given? The cost of
last week.
plastering this curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40. That means cost of plastering. So we'll say that number 2. The cost of plastering or cementing, whatever it is, okay? Plastering, so right, plastering. The cost of plastering at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square equals to rupees 40 into whatever area you have. So this will become 4,400. So this much you need to pay. Okay? Now let's move to question number 8. Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Questions are easy or not? You need to know the formula. If you know the formula, definitely you can solve this chapter. And you should know what to find. And third thing, your calculation must be correct. Calculation, that means multiplication, division, these things should be correct. Now number 9. 8. It is said that in a hot water heating system, there is a cylinder pipe of length 28 meter. 28 meter, that means very big. 28 meter, that means from here till principal office. Approximately. Okay, this much. So 28 is very big. Definitely this has to be used in a big place. Maybe 5-star hotel or somewhere, okay? 28 meter. By using, have you seen Abonoid rod?
Yes, sir.
Which we use in winter season to warm water?
Yes.
You have seen, right? So same type of rod is being used. Okay? Now in this question, it is said that in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meters. So length is considered as height. So we'll say that height of a pipe. Height of a pipe. So I am writing directly H, and that is how much?
28.
28 meter. Okay. And it is said that, and the diameter
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. So diameter is 5 centimeters. So can we say that radius of a pipe equals to 5 by 2 centimeter? So this will become 2.5 centimeter. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that this height is in meter and this is in centimeter. So we need to convert the centimeter into meter. So we'll convert this one by what?
100.
Dividing by 100. So it will become meter. Now this will become 0.025 meter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what you need to find? Find the total radiating surface in the system. So you need to find the total radiating surface. So total radiating surface, that means you will find the TSA. Yes or no?
No, sir.
But if you find TSA, you will make mistake. Because where is that one?
So water.
Bottle. Suppose this is the rod. Okay. So when we heat water, we heat from this region. This region and this region are connected with wires. Okay. By using current, we heat the water. So this region and this region are connected with wire. This region only. This region is used to warm the air. Warm the water. Okay? Heat the water. Is it clear? Is it clear? So what was the question? Find the total radiating surface. So we'll say that therefore the total radiating surface in the system, right? Therefore total radiating surface in the system equals to CSA of a
Pipe.
cylinder or pipe, you can say, your choice. Pipe is a cylinder, okay? Now this can be cylinder, CSA of a cylinder. 2 pi RH. Sit down. 2 pi RH. 2 is 2, pi is 22/7. What is R? 0.025. And what is H? 28. This 7 4s are. So 425 is 101.
0.1.
4.4 meters. So that's all.
Yes.
So this is the correct answer, okay? Now let's move to next question. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the question says find number 1, the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. It's a closed, that means lateral surface area, bottom and top, everything is been covered. Okay, otherwise there will be a leakage, right? Otherwise the oil may fall or whatever. Okay, tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter. So diameter is being given, so we will say that radius of a cylindrical tank, radius of a cylindrical tank, and how it is?
4.2 by 2.
4.2
by 2
meter, not centimeter.
meters, sir.
So this will be 2.1 meter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I think height is also given.
Yes, sir.
How much?
4.5 meter.
So height of a cylindrical tank?
Yes, sir. 4.5.
4.5.
Yes, sir.
4.5 meter. Kuchi paisa.
Yes, sir.
And then? Okay. Now in the question it was said that find the lateral or curved surface area. You need to find lateral or curved surface area. You don't need to find the total. Okay. So we'll say that, this is number 1, huh? This is number 1. So we'll say that CSA of a cylindrical tank. CSA of a cylindrical tank is equal to, I am writing it, 2 pi RH. I am writing it here, na? 2 is 2, pi is 22/7, R is what?
Sir, 2.1.
2.1 and H is 4.5. 7 on the 3 are. Okay, 21, 54. 59.4.
Yes, sir.
Don't depend on other, okay? Don't trust anyone except me. 54 or 59.4 meters square. 9 times is a 27. 27. 27. 54, 54. 59.4. Correct. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now second part. What's the time? Do anybody, don't touch that. Do anybody have mobile or watch? No. Simply they are telling lie that they have not got mobile. Just see and say. They don't want to say that I have mobile. 9:30. 10 minutes left. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Where is? Yeah. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? Okay? Sheet. Okay, sheets are generally in rectangular. That is been cut and made a closed cylindrical tank. Okay, and it is said that wastage is 1/12. Wastage is 1/12. I think everybody have given clothes to make, like suppose pant, shirt, t-shirt, sari, not sari, sari we purchase, right? Kurta, pajama and all. So they used to cut the cloth and some of the clothes are wasted. That is not used. Yes or no? So wastage is 1/12. It is given in the question. Wastage is 1/12. 1/12 is wasted. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
So let us suppose that let the number 2 let the total sheet be 1 minute. Let the area of total sheet be x meter square. We are assuming x meter square. They are asking you that how many meter square. That means actually how much it was needed. Okay? Okay? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the total. Okay? I am doing it directly according to question. Total is how much?
X.
So from the total 1/12 was wasted.
Yes, sir.
So minus 1/12 of x. Okay. Now from the total 1/12 was wasted, and after that what we got?
TSA.
TSA of a cylinder. So we'll say that equals to TSA of a
Cylinder.
cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
In the question, first question, it was given that a closed cylindrical tank is made. So that means by using that metal sheet, a closed tank is been made. So closed tank, that means total surface area. But we know that from the total area, 1/12 was wasted. So after wasting, whatever is left out, that will form a TSA. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So same thing. So we'll take the LCM, that means we'll convert this one, and this can be written as x/12 equals to TSA of a cylinder is what? Nishika.
2 pi r into r plus h.
2 pi r, sit down, into r plus h. Now this one can be taken as LCM and it will be 12x minus x. 2 is 2, pi is 22/7. What was r?
21.
2.1 into 2.1. What is h?
4.5.
4.5. Okay. Now calculation. This can be written as 11x by 12 equals to, this can be cancelled 0.3. Okay. Now this can be written as 44 into 0.3 into, and that can be written as
6.6.
6.6. Now no need to multiply, just find x. X is equal to 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. This 12 will be multiplied there into 12, and this 11 will be in the denominator. 11 ones are 11 fours are. Now multiply whole.
So 95.04.
I don't know, just calculate and just check it.
94.37.
95 I think correct answer.
95.04.
95.04 is the correct answer. Calculate properly, huh? What I remember, it is 95.04 meter square. Just solve and just check it. Done?
Yes.
Video is going on?
Yes, sir.
Finish everyone? Finish or not? Yes or no? Do anybody have loose page? Loose page? Just check it. If you have, then give me one. Loose page. Anyone, don't tear it, okay? If you have, then give me. Otherwise, no need. No? Okay. I have my own. This is what? Page. Ah. What I did, I have folded this one. I'm standing little big. I have folded this one and I have made a cylinder. Is it clear? Can you see? So this is a cylinder. Okay? Now suppose I am having a cylindrical lamp. Okay? And I want to decorate this. This is a glass, cylindrical, okay? Cylindrical glass, and I want to decorate it. To decorate it, what I will do, I'll fold some cloth and I put it inside that, so that it will not come out. Like you have seen while arranging the bed sheet in your house. We used to put some bed sheet inside the cushion, is it or not? So that it becomes tight. Same way, in this case, little bit from the top and little bit from the down is been folded, and is been made a cylinder. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
So next question is same like that. It is same like that. It is said that in figure 13.12, you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeters. So diameter is given. So we'll say take radius of a cylindrical lamp. Radius of a cylindrical lamp. This is 11 or
10.
10. Radius of a cylindrical lamp. Radius is how much?
20 by 2.
Diameter has been given.
Yes, sir, 20 by 2.
20 by 2. Centimeter equals to
10 centimeters.
10 centimeter. Okay. Now rest what is given?
Height is
And height is 30 centimeters. So height of a cylindrical lamp, height is 30 centimeters. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Buji paisa Prithishmita?
Yes, sir.
It's given in the question. A margin of 2.5 Okay, a margin of 2.5 is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. Actually, this is not the total height. This is the height of the lamp. But it is given that the decorative cloth is been 2.5 centimeter from the top and 2.5 centimeter from the down is been folded. Okay, so we'll say that height of the right height of
The cloth.
decorative cloth,
Yes, sir.
decorative cylindrical cloth,
Yes, sir.
decorative cylindrical cloth. Okay, equals to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now this will be 35 centimeters. Okay. Now in the question, what is given?
Find how much cloth is.
Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So we'll say that therefore the required cloth equals to what?
Yes.
CSA of a cylinder. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 is 2, pi is 22 by 7, R is 10 and H is
35.
that will be 35. Okay, so 35. Now 7 1 is 7, 5 is 5 to the 10, 22.
2200.
00 centimeters square. So this is your final answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's all. Last question will be your homework. Okay. So this exercise is our. Next day we'll continue with next exercise. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.